Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, I am beyond excited to introduce you to the Kids Star DIY Projector nightlight with remote control. This incredible device is not just a regular night light. It's a whole new way to experience the wonder of the universe right in your own home. Imagine being able to transform your child's bedroom into a beautiful galaxy filled with stars and nebulae. With the 360 adjustable design, you can project stunning images of astronauts, planets, and galaxies onto the walls and ceiling, creating a peaceful and mesmerizing atmosphere for your little ones to drift off to sleep. But that's not all. This projector comes with a remote control, making it super convenient to adjust the lighting and create the perfect ambience without even leaving your bed. And don't worry about the energy consumption, because this night light is designed to be energy efficient, so you can enjoy the stunning visual effects without any guilt. Not only is the Kids Star DIY Projector nightlight a fantastic addition to any child's room, but it also makes a perfect gift for any occasion. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, or just to show your little ones how much you love them, this nightlight is sure to bring endless joy and wonder. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring the magic of the universe into your child's life. Click the link in the description to get your very own Kids Star DIY Projector nightlight with remote control today. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting us know what you think. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep shining bright.